Introducing the Sunjo Handheld chainsaw, a compact and lightweight tool. This powerful chainsaw effortlessly trims overgrown branches and lifeless limbs, making it the perfect solution for pruning tasks. Say goodbye to tangled cords and heavy gas chainsaws, as this cordless saw provides convenience and ease of use. Equipped with battery, it offers ample power and runtime to cut through branches, thatch, and shrubs. Safety is a priority, with built-in features like a review knife to prevent the kickback, a knuckle-guard handle, and a safety switch to avoid accidental starts. With just a simple squeeze of the trigger, you can achieve clean and precise cuts, making pruning tasks a breeze. Rotoshovel MAX. The world's first automatic shovel, say goodbye to the time-consuming and back-breaking work of digging in your yard. Install plants, fence pots, irrigation, and decoration effortlessly with this powerful digging tool. It allows you to stand while digging and creates bigger holes with ease. The Rotoshovel MAX can excavate a 4-inch diameter hole for posts and even wider and deeper holes for large plants. It operates smoothly and safely, automatically shutting off if it encounters rocks or roots. The reverse function helps free the auger if it gets stuck. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the MAX provides hours of continuous use. Recharging takes just 2 hours, allowing for uninterrupted digging. Gardena has the perfect solution for keeping your garden hydrated, even when you're not around. Their watering controls can be directly connected to a tap, allowing you to water different areas separately, such as the lawn, flower boxes, and flower beds. A multi-channel control system ensures that each area gets the right amount of water at the right time. Gardena's water timmers and computers are rain and UV resistant, so they can withstand any weather conditions. With a safe stop technology, the water controls work reliably by preventing the start of irrigation process if the battery levels are too low. The easy setup process allows for convenient and reliable irrigation even when you're away from home. By connecting a Gardena rain or soil moisture sensor, the automatic irrigation system can be interrupted based on soil moisture and natural rainfall, saving water and money. Gloria Fine Cut is the perfect addition to any home garden with a robotic mower. This compact device easily cuts to the edge. It can also reach under bushes, shrubs, and children's play equipment with its adjustable bar angle. The innovative double knife system ensures the best cutting quality on the 25 cm wide surface. Thanks to the low vibration double blade system, the blades of grass are not torn off, but neatly cut according to the scissors principle. The blades are nickel-plated and therefore more resistant to the corrosion. The fine cut is height adjustable in 3 levels and compatible with any Bosch battery. You can enjoy up to 60 minutes of continuous use. Make watering your garden a fun and easy task with the XL Automatic Hose Cart set. This set comes with all the necessary accessories and is pre-assembled for immediate use. Simply place it anywhere in your garden and enjoy its 360 degrees rotation, allowing you to water every corner effortlessly. Compared to traditional wall-mounted hoses, the hose cart doubles the irrigation area. The hose cart set offers even more convenient features. It has soft surface wheels and a telescope handle for easy maneuverability. Its horizontal design ensures stability and prevents tipping over. Inside the hose cart, you'll find a high-quality 20-meter auto-retractable hose, along with the connectors and sprinkle head neatly stored. These grafting shears are perfect for all types of plants, including fruit trees, vegetables, nurseries, and flowers. They have a high-carbon steel blade that allows for precise and fast cuts, making it easier to remove whether you're a beginner or a professional. These shears are easy to use. They actually come with 3 types of replaceable blades for different grafting techniques. The shears have an ergonomic design with a soft grip for comfortable handling. Made of a durable high-carbon steel, simply follow the grafting process. Tie the receiving branch, make the cut, graft the branch, sterilize the joint, and trim any unwanted branches. That's it.